Almost every homebuyer I talk to says the exact same thing after closing. Well, I just signed my mortgage. Here is a fascinating piece of real estate trivia for you. The mortgage isn't actually the document where you promise to pay the money back. In fact, calling your entire home loan a mortgage is technically a myth. When you finance a home, you are actually signing two completely separate legal instruments, the promissory note and the mortgage. If you confuse the two, you're missing how your loan actually works. Let's bust the myth and break down the difference. Let's start with document number 1, the promissory note. Think of this as the promise. This is the core legal contract where you pledge to repay the loan. It establishes your personal liability for the debt and acts as the official evidence that you owe money. When you sign the note, you are agreeing to the precise mechanics of how you will pay off the debt over time. It outlines all the specific financial terms of your deal, the exact loan amount, your interest rate, the payment due dates, and the repayment term. If there's no note, there is no debt. So, if the note is your promise to pay, what is the mortgage? Think of the mortgage as the security. Lenders aren't in the business of handing out hundreds of thousands of dollars on a handshake. They need collateral protection. The mortgage is the legal document that secures the promissory note by pledging the actual property as collateral. It contains the legal description of the property, lender details, and foreclosure terms. Unlike the note, the mortgage is publicly recorded against the property title in the county records. It gives the lender a lien on the home, allowing them to initiate foreclosure if the note is broken. To sum it up perfectly, the note is the debt obligation, while the mortgage is the collateral protection. The note is your personal commitment to pay off the loan over time. The mortgage is the security instrument that protects the lender if you don't. If you have questions, I'm here to help. Call Matt Walsh at 561-886-8456. Email walsh@ipre.com.